Rubik's Cube.
You're gonna play the Rubik's Cube. What song are you gonna play on it? What song are you gonna play on it?
Axel F by Crazy Frog.
All right, good answer. So, what's that? You want me to mess it up a little bit? Is that what you mean? Will I? Okay. Okay. Well, there we go. Okay, we're ready. Oh, what's going on? Solving Rubik's Cubes.
I learned the 3x3 this year, January 7th.
January 7th, that's the most precise date that we've had for any participant in the talent show today. So that's very good, very impressed. Another child that can do things I can't do. That's just what I really need to do. Thanks very much.